So it's time to open a door that was never meant to be open. Tell you a secret you were never meant to know. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. Asiqale. By the shadow of the night, we bind ourselves to a dark oath. We claim dominion in our faces, and we cloak the truth in shadow. For centuries we have stood above, while others were made to kneel. Once upon a time, a long time ago, isitha poo had a ritual ababeyenza. Understand ukuthi they would paint ubuso babo black and then take a random umuntu omnyama and him. Understand ukuthi babebeka a jar emlomeni wakhe so that when he took umphefumulo wakhe wokugcina, leyo mphefumulo uzongena kwi-jar, and then according to i-ritual yabo, they would take leyo jar enomphefumulo wokugcina umuntu omnyama and inhale it and claim i-energy yakhe in the name of their God. Times change, people change, i-ritual ibingeke iyekwe, but it just needed to be improved. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you i-blackface. Understand ukuthi isitha would still paint ubuso babo bube mnyama, kodwa manje they did it in public kwi-media, performing i-ritual kwi-TV for millions of people to see. The first example of them modernizing le ritual yabo was a minstrel show. It was the most popular show in America back then. Understand ukuthi isitha would darken their skin tone using burnt chalk or grease, creating characters that mocked beyisa umuntu omnyama, creating a narrative yokuthi umuntu omnyama ulazy, unintelligent, hyper emotionally, and dangerous. One of the earliest actors or influential figures kulento ye-face painting ye-blackface is Thomas D. Rice. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi by u-1840 ama-minstrel shows were the #1 form of entertainment in America. Nearly 100% of black actors on stage were played by isitha pretending to be umuntu omnyama using i-blackface. Even after ukugqilazwa kwabantu abamnyama ended ngo-1865, still ama-blackface didn't stop kunalokho, it expanded. Understand ukuthi by the early 90s, ama-blackfaces ayetholakala kuma-films, e-theatre, and they also did ama-national tours. In fact, one of the first major Hollywood movies, yezwa, was The Birth of a Nation, which was something eyabukwa by 50 million people. And guess what? Kwakuvezwa umuntu omnyama ebheda.
I come from the south, from the deep, deep south, where the fields of cotton just die with blight, and the pappy reads Esquire with delight, while my Alabama mammy plays bridge all night.
How would you like to go to work for me?
Yeah, ma'am. How much you gonna pay me, I hope?
Well, let's see now. I'll pay you all your work.
No, ma'am. I gotta have some money.
Yazi nina and understand ukuthi this is not just about ukuthi siyabuka siyahleka. Understand ukuthi it shaped how an entire nation saw abantu abamnyama because they created that narrative. Understand ukuthi negative portrayal of abantu abamnyama in early media contributed to a systematic bias towards abantu abamnyama. Understand ukuthi these stereotypes influenced izinto ezifana njengama-laws, ama-policing, ne-education system towards abantu abamnyama. And during the era of Jim Crow, yezwa, it also lama-images abebewaveza ku-TV helped to justify ukubandlululwa kwabantu abamnyama. Lento started as a ritual to make uNkulunkulu wabo happy. And then it slowly changed and flooded media into becoming ama-minstrel shows. And lawo ma-minstrel shows were the most watched thing ngaleso sikhathi. And then it also changed futhi again, bayithatha bayifaka kuma-movie. The first movie eyenziwe Hollywood was The Birth of a Nation, la khona kugcwele isitha beyipende ngalezinto, pretending ukuthi ba abantu abamnyama. 1830 waqala umishini. They wanted to convert lento yama-blackface from being something abayenzela uNkulunkulu wabo as a ritual to being something eyenziwa mhlaba wonke, being accepted by abantu abaningi. So they started ama-travel performance, behamba country to country, beperforma with ama-blackface. Understand ukuthi 1840 to 1870 ila khona sisiqala sesi-introduce to ama-TV. So what they did, bahlakanipha, they created ama-minstrel shows. Ama-shows aveza umuntu omnyama, but manje the actors are isitha, bafake i-black paint. Lawo ma-shows, they dominated American entertainment for years. And then finally, ngo-1915, kwaphuma imovie yokuqala in Hollywood. It was called The Birth of a Nation. Yes, yadlala ngisho e-White House, ibuko president. But manje inkinga iyodwa, kuleyo movie kwakuvezwe ama-black faces. They were spreading ukubandlululwa komuntu omnyama, spreading the idea yokuthi umuntu omnyama is nothing.
The sun's so hot I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, don't you cry for me. I've come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. Oh, I had a dream the other night when everything was still. I thought I saw Susanna dear coming down the hill. The buckwheat